Welcome to this two-bedroom townhouse for rent in Meyersdal Nature Estate, Alberton, Gauteng, South Africa for R12,250 per month. Two-bedroom simplex in secure estate. This lovely cluster offers an open-plan lounge and dining area leading into 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, 1 ensuite. Unit includes a single garage and a covered parking. Heat pump for geyser, energy efficient and prepaid electricity. Pet friendly for 2 small dogs only, no cats. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.